Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Web3Camp token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing tomorrow, April 29th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Web3Camp token. Ticker symbol is 3P. Now this token is being listed tomorrow, April 29th, 8 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search 3P, and then simply just buy the Web3Camp token. It is that easy. So MEXC Global, April 29th, 8 o'clock UTC time, this token gets listed, and there is a referral code for MEXC in the description box if you don't have an account. Now, if you want to find all the info regarding this token, they have a white paper document section here. You can go over to web3camp.gitbook.io. Over there, they're going to have all the stuff you need. So, it is a quiz to earn for Web3 by Web3. Web3Camp is your next frontier in the Web3 education market and an embodiment of gamified learning experiences tied with Web3. Starts from Web3, goes wider for more. Web3Camp builds the tokenized ecosystem for knowledge sharing and community buildup, aiming to guide the next billion users into Web3. It's designed for the masses, connecting learners and content creators in Web3, tokenization and gamified experience of knowledge exchange. So Web3Camp is the next frontier for the education market. Get Web3Camp app to solve quizzes and learning experiences that reward you. So it says they have 90 million Web3 users, 1.5 thousand Web3 project numbers, and 1.2 billion internet users. Starts from Web3 and goes wider for more. So Web3Camp builds the tokenized ecosystem for knowledge sharing, community buildup, designed for the masses, connecting learners and content creators in Web3, and tokenized and gamified experience for knowledge exchange. So the problems and solutions, number one, is the learner. So learning is a lifelong journey that everyone understands is important, but insisting on continuous learning will be more difficult for many people, not only to overcome one's inertia, but it is also important to find good teachers and helpful friends to supervise. Number two, content contributors. For those blockchain content creators and developers, they can hardly build connections with general users or other talented individuals. It's not easy to turn knowledge into valuable ideas. Also, solutions. So, solutions for learners and content contributors. Web3Camp is the next frontier in the quiz to earn market and an embodiment of learning experiences tied in with Web3. Web3Camp is building a quiz to earn ecosystem, not only to provide incentives for learners to encourage them to continue learning, but also to provide patronship platform for high-quality content contributors so that users can continue to provide high-quality content and continue to receive patron rewards provided by learners. So what makes Web3Camp unique It creates a customized interactive experience for both community with massive user adoption and Web3 education, built by experienced teams from both Web2 and Web3 industries. Web3Camp aims to establish user-friendly onboarding infrastructure for mass adoption, starting with Web3 and going further into the wider public. It's got infrastructure for Web3 education through an open and active approach, sustainable and vibrant ecosystem for community-oriented economies, and easy-to-use mobile devices for non-custodial wallets. So their roadmap is on here. Starting with phase 1, they have the product design, community build-up, the governance token, which is the 3P token. They did the IDO, then token generation event, and then liquidity incentive program. And then coming in the future here, we got partnership expansion, demo launch, ambassador program, public beta, public launch, and then the last phase is going to be the one-stop open platform for online courses, certifications, and degrees in a variety of subjects on Web3. A more diverse gamified learning experience, branding and integrations with top platforms. Now the Web3Camp tokenomics, it says the tokenomics of any protocol can never be too emphasized, as it reflects the value flowing within the ecosystem, while also containing both the psychological and behavioral forces that could affect the value and sustainability of the ecosystem for the long term. Web3Camp prioritizes the precautions of coping with token price fluctuations, emphasizing both liquidity and utility while maintaining stability and ensuring long-term sustainability. So 3P, the governance token that reflects the value of the WebCamp ecosystem, is a BEP20 token, where 38% of the tokens go to the ecosystem and treasury, 28% go to the community, 20% team, 10% strategic partners, 4% public sale. And there is a total supply of 100 trillion tokens. So there is a team section on here, just has a little bit of info. They're not really doxed on here or anything. They could be doxed somewhere else. Hopefully they have a audit somewhere else. Now, if you want to check out the product competitiveness section, they talk about their quiz to earn that rewards you, patronship, the learning content, and how it's completely decentralized. Now, if you want to check out their Twitter, it is at Web3Camp_IO. And then they have a link tree on there. They actually have 30,700 Twitter followers, so they're doing very well on Twitter. Now, they do have a link tree. Doesn't look like it's got much on it yet. Maybe they're adding to it soon. But their pinned tweet is talking about how they're going to be listed on MEXC Global starting tomorrow. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out that MEXC referral code down there in the description box. That's where you can get this token tomorrow. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.